We always look so ridiculous on travel days. And there's our plane. Alright, we just landed in Chengdu. And I'm still in shock. We don't have a whole lot planned for today. I'm really excited to veg out a little bit, do some backups, maybe even do some work, hopefully. We'll see what the internet is like at our hotel. Rumor has it our hotel is huge, which I'm kind of excited about because I tend to make a little bit of a mess when I travel. So it's nice to have a place to spread out the mess, so that it doesn't infiltrate Justin's like perfectly tidy bubble. And tomorrow we hug panda. All right, I know this is a little weird, but listen. I've been in China for a week and a half, and this is the first time they've provided toilet paper. Not, I mean, it's tissues, but I don't care. It's the first one that has had toilet paper. Now, granted, I have my own toilet paper in my bag because of this problem, but still, it's very exciting. Automatic flusher and toilet paper. Same place. Happy. All right, it's our third flight in China, and we have not had a single lost bag yet. Knock on wood. This is our hotel. Were you fancy because we have an elevator? Oh, look how fancy. Much fancy.
5 floors, thank you.
What does this smell?
Humidity, maybe?
Pee? Guys, look how big this is. Oh my gosh, I have so much room to make a mess. All right, bathroom is in a separate room, not a clear shower. Hey, this is nice. We don't have to pee and shower in the same place. So we have Chinese translations for things from a dumpling place that should be good. So here's where we're gonna be eating.
Big bowl.
Big. Yeah, we want a big bowl. This is wonderful.
Oh wait, and what?
Yeah. I love this restaurant already. This is amazing. Yeah. Okay, we're at a little restaurant that has no English at all. And one of their things is that they have a bowl on the table of just like mystery meat. It's definitely a chicken foot in there. So the question is, Justin, are you gonna eat chicken feet today?
That's not on my to-eat list.
Why not? Look, this is a vegetable.
I've never understood that.
This was freaking $3 worth of food. Singer technique, you're supposed to twist it in the spices so that all the spices get like, oh my god. This is like, more. This is really good. Listen, this food is so good. This is $3 worth of food, and I'm really confused as to how this is possible. We need an ATM, we need groceries. I want candy. All right, we found an ATM and we found a park. So we're gonna see what's going on over here. This is really sweet. We're all gonna die. Oh my god. I don't want to die. I'm not ready to die. You get a giant cake for 13 yen. I want it. It smells so good. We're getting it, guys. It's like a freaking cake. What is that? It's huge.
That looks good too.
Yeah. I think it's possible we have gone insane. Just slightly possible. Maybe. Chengdu has 14 million people. Beijing has 20 million people. So this is a big old city. Another one of these crazy intersections, jeez. We have tea, honey vanilla chamomile with all kinds of treats. And then, you know, there's our view. This hotel is great, and this AC is like